The fortifications of Hania are a series of defensive walls and other fortifications which surround the city of Hania in Crete, Greece. The inner city walls were first built in antiquity, and were rebuilt by the Byzantine Empire. The outer walls were built in the 16th century by the Republic of Venice. Some of the fortifications were demolished in the 20th century, but parts of both the Byzantine and Venetian walls remain intact. History: Hellenistic and Byzantine walls. In antiquity, a settlement known as Cydonia existed on the site of modern Hania. By the Hellenistic period, in around the 3rd century BC, the Cydonia was surrounded by walls. These were reinforced by the Byzantine Empire in the 6th and 7th centuries AD, before the city was destroyed by Saracens in 828. Eventually, the Byzantines retook the city, and built a new fortress on the hill of Castelli in the 10th century, to prevent a second Arab invasion. Some parts of the Byzantine wall still exist in Cyphaka Street. Venetian walls. Crete was occupied by the Republic of Venice in the 13th century. Initially they settled within the Byzantine walls on the hill of Castelli, but the settlement eventually grew and a number of burghs developed outside the city walls. In 1336, it was decided that walls were to be built around the burghs, and the fortifications were completed within 20 years. The walls were modified over time and the height was increased. By the early 16th century, the expanding Ottoman Empire became a major threat for the Venetians, and they decided to build new fortifications in Hania, as well as Heraklion and Rethymnum. Work on the new fortifications began in 1536, to a design of Michel Saint-Micheli. They were completed in 1568. Construction of the fortifications of Hania as well as a fortress on Thodoro cost a total of 87,000 ducats. In 1620, the Firkas fortress was built to protect Hania's harbour. In 1630, the city was armed with 319 cannons, 30,695 cannonballs and 413.274 pounds of gunpowder. Ottoman rule to present day. The Fifth Ottoman-Venetian War broke out when the Ottoman navy arrived off Crete on the 23rd of June 1645. The Ottomans first landed 15 miles west of Hania, and the local militia fled before them. They besieged the city for 56 days, and it fell on the 22nd of August after the walls on the southwestern part of the city were breached. After the siege, the Ottomans restored the breached walls, and later modernized and renovated them. Hania remained under Ottoman control until November 1898. Parts of the walls on the south side were demolished by the Cretan state in the early 20th century, since they limited the growth of the city. The union of the Cretan state with Greece was celebrated at Firkas fortress on the 1st of December 1913. Layout: the fortifications of Hania were roughly square in shape, and the corners were reinforced by the following bastions: San Salvatore Bastion on the northwest corner, San Demetrio Bastion on the southwest corner, Santa Lucia Bastion on the southeast corner, Mocenigo Bastion on the northeast corner. The Firkas fortress is located close to San Salvatore Bastion. There were also 3 main gates: Porta San Salvatore on the west side, Porta Retimiata on the south side, Porta Sabinra on the east side. The walls were up to 20 meters high, and were surrounded by a ditch which was 60 meters wide and 15 meters deep.